Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ebony here, the Keto Queen, and today we're gonna be making some very delicious air fryer chicken wings. Super crispy, super good. They're gonna have a lemon pepper seasoning on them. I can't wait to show you guys how they come out. First thing we're gonna do is wash and then pat our wings dry, and the next thing we're gonna do is add our seasonings blend. What I'm gonna do first is add a little bit of this garlic flavored olive oil. I'm just gonna eyeball it and just put it all over the chicken. And then we're gonna add our seasonings blend. So the seasonings are salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, Tony's Creole seasoning, and a little dash of baking powder. I'm gonna mix these up real good. And I'm just gonna sprinkle it on the chicken and then toss it. Making sure to coat each and every piece of chicken. I really don't want to use my hands right now, so I'm going to use a wooden spoon to stir this up. Ooh, it looks like I'm going to have to use my hands. Yeah, unfortunately, I'm going to have to use my hands. Make sure to get the seasoning all over the chicken. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go wash my hands. I just sprayed my air fryer basket with olive oil. I'll show you the olive oil. I sprayed it with this olive oil, and now I'm just gonna evenly stack my chicken in the air fryer. If it doesn't fit, I'm just gonna do 2 batches. These are pretty big chicken wings. I honestly didn't even mean to buy these. I didn't know I was buying the whole chicken wings, but it'll be completely fine. So my air fryer basket is pretty small. So I'm gonna cook them 3 at a time. Now we're gonna air fry the wings at 400 degrees for 21 minutes. When the time gets down to 11 minutes, open the air fryer and flip all the chicken wings to the other side so they can cook for another 11 minutes. When they're done air frying, they're gonna look like this. They are super crispy, and now it's time to add the lemon pepper sauce. To make the lemon pepper sauce, I used a half a stick of butter, some lemon juice, lemon pepper, chili powder, and Tony's Creole seasoning. Then I ended up adding some cayenne pepper sauce because it just wasn't spicy enough for me, and then it was perfect. Now for the flavor. Now we're gonna brush all of that sauce all over all of the chicken wings. Don't miss any places. It needs to be on the front, back, top, bottom, drenched in the sauce. After that, I moved it to a clean plate and topped it with a little parsley, and oh my goodness, look how that chicken looks. Now for our taste test, I am going to dip it in this ranch that I just made. I can't wait to try it. I love spicy lemon pepper wings so much. That's so good. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more keto friendly recipes.